guys, good morning. It's currently 6:30. It's day 2 of the Bimini trip. We woke up a little late. You know, we went out to the town last night and we were there at the island bars and all that stuff, but we woke up a little late, but we're on our way to go get some Wahoo. So hopefully we get 10 on the Wahoo. We're gonna run south towards Cat. See if we could get it done. Beautiful cotton candy skies in the background. The fellas walking to the boat. And the boat right there. So, guys, as always, like, subscribe, comment, bell notifications, all of that. But most of all, enjoy this video, guys. Dale. Alright guys, we got here to the first spot. We got the old school senators out there. We're gonna be high-speed trolling. And we got this guy out off the middle. So hopefully we get a bite. The day's looking beautiful. The fellas are tired, but they're getting activated. Let's go. That's true. Listen guys, I'm gonna put you guys up here, and when we get a bite, you guys are gonna see it firsthand. Dale, man.
That shit ran in the beginning like water, but it kind of died out quick with the little guy. But,
so man, we're cranking them now, baby. Con el bastón, capturado en la esquina.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
You got it.
Guy was out there, I know. Rob, he went out there.
You have it on Tuesday?
No, it's not going to do that. 6 weeks before it, right?
Got it. Sit in the chair, baby. Sit in the chair.
I'll get back on it in a second here, Charlie. Oh man. There you go. There you go, baby.
Crank it, man! Crank it! Just look like a boom, man. What's the mark at? Is it? 115. 115? Right? Yo, I think this thing's actually pretty fucking big. Yeah. Take it now. He's fighting now.
Charlie, you be on there?
Yeah.
Go.
Hey, get on the line.
I'm gonna make it easier for us. I'm gonna turn.
Yeah, turn.
For the people out there, I'm gonna turn on a little bit of an angle, not too much.
A little bit.
El bacón. There you go. Keep running now. Feels like a nice food. Yeah. I think it's heavy. You feel him on there, right? It's heavy as fuck. He's getting close. All right, leave it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. No flat. No flat. Put this thing up. Go. Get back to it. Get off. Get back to it. Oh, my shoulder. Now it's 150. I was going to start there. Well, I know. That was low. Good? You good? You good or no? You gonna do it? Come on, boy, reel. That line was out there. That first run was pretty nuts. Is that yards or feet? Keep going, feet. You're getting close. Keep going, keep going. Keep cranking. Woo! Come on. You on there? Let's go, son. Huh? We're coming up. Push. Keep going. Go. It's red. Alright, keep going. You're gonna grab the rod when it comes close and walk it back. You fit? Whoa. Walk it forward. Crank. Whoa. Keep cranking. Alright, walk forward. Oh, gosh, George! Oh, they're fucking. Watch your teeth. A little reacher. All right, let's get back on. Gosh, she got sharp. Yeah. All right, guys, we got her on the boat.
Alright guys, well we got that one bite on the high-speed troll. We got a nice wahoo in the box. Well, a little guy, but he'll do. He'll be delicious. So we just got here to the reef. The boys are throwing the slow pitch jigs. We're gonna see if we can get on some yellowtail on the bottom. See if we can get on some grouper, some muns, whatever bites. So put you guys in the chest cam, and you already know how it goes, guys. Let's get it on for the day.
There you go, bud.
Feels nice, man.
Charlie! Go, shoot on!
Alright. That's good deep drop bait, I'm telling you. Are we deep dropping? Are we deep dropping? Oh, he broke me. Alright, well, there you go.
Oh, Charlie!
Oh my God.
Oh no, he's there.
That's him.
Charlie, I just had something huge on here. Can you see it?
Yeah, that's a nice fish. They're deep?
Yo, Mike.
No groupers?
There's nothing on the bottom.
What kind of bottom is it?
It's really, really nice bottom.
Like caves and shit?
Yeah, it's nice.
I mean,
Yo, oh my God, Mike. I thought my nose was gonna blow.
yeah.
one.
Bang 'em.
All right, keep doing that. Go
Yeah,
ahead,
man.
those.
We're good.
GoPro that shit or what?
Oh yeah. Yeah, man.
How did you catch yellow jack yesterday?
Man, on the bucktail.
Huh?
On the pink
Bucktail?
bucktail. Yeah, he smoked it. There he goes.
Lay up on him.
Oh, this is a nice one.
Got a good one?
Oh, man.
You spit out our chum. That's
Yeah,
so funny.
man.
Keep going, dude. They're biting you.
Dude, they're biting. Got him. Oh, there's a nice one. Another nice one. Dude.
Super. What's your YouTube? Fish for Tails?
Yeah.
Fish for Tails? Yeah, fish for yellow tails, baby. Let's go.
Another one.
Let's go, dude.
There he goes. Oh! Got him. Oh,
That ain't no yellowtail.
oh. If it is, it's a nice one. This is something nice, man. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Fuck, I don't want it to get sharked. Oh, the trigger's back.
Hey.
Gaff his ass. Yeah, he's gonna cut me. You got him? I got it. There you go. Fat ass trigger.
Nice. So all that out.
Yeah, man.
Take it.
Alright guys, so we've been here, we're getting bites, but I think we're gonna patrol for Wahoo on the way back. Just wanted to show you guys, I didn't get all the footage, but look at this. Loaded up. We got a nice trigger, nice 2 mackerel, a bunch of huge yellowtails. I mean, guys, come on. This is no Miami yellowtail, huh? Nice grouper. So, let's get organized and let's get going, huh?
Yes, sir.
Let's get on the Wahoo bite, huh?
Right now, right now, right now.
Nice little reef fishing, but now we're gonna hit that Wahoo. Bottom? Bottom or what? What is that? Slippery dick. Slippery dick.
This tastes great.
You want it?
No. Fuck him, dude.
Alright guys, so we just got here to home base. We had an amazing day. We went to Cat Cay towards the end of the day, had some lunch, spent the day. We really did really good this morning. We got a nice Wahoo on the boat. We're expecting to find a little more Wahoo tomorrow. We're gonna go at it again. Tomorrow we're gonna dive a little more. We didn't dive today, but we got a cooler full of fish. We did good on the bottom. It was a great day, guys. Overall, it's a one more day in paradise. So that's the end of day 2. We're gonna go to the casino, see if we can win a little money, huh? Charlie? See if we can win a little money in the casino or what?
Win some money.
And tomorrow get right.
We gotta win money for the Wahoo tomorrow.
Yeah, man.
Wahoo like dollar bills.
That's right.
So we gotta get some dollar bills today.
That's right, guys. So overall, it was a great day. End of day 2. Stay tuned. This is gonna be at least a 3 to 4 part video. So I hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe to the channel if you guys enjoy the videos, and please turn on that bell notification so you guys know when I drop a video. All right, guys. See you tomorrow.